We all want pink lips, right? But we don't have it. Instead, we have dark areas on our lips. This is called hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation is caused by direct exposure to the sun. So, আজি মই আপোনালোকক এটা লিপ স্ক্ৰাব দেখাব বিচাৰিছো যোনটো লগালে আপোনালোকৰ লিপস অলপ সফট কৰি তুলিব and লাইট কৰি তুলিব. So, let's get into the video. You need cinnamon powder, which is also called dalchini, olive oil and honey. যদি cinnamon powder নাই তেন্তে ডালচেনিটো পাউডাৰ ফৰ্ম কৰি দিব. Take half tablespoon of cinnamon powder, half tablespoon of olive oil and half tablespoon of honey. Mix the ingredients well until they blend. Apply on lips and gently scrub with fingertips. Now rinse it off with lukewarm water. After that, pat dry and then apply your favorite lip balm. ভিডিওটো চাই ভাল পালে তেন্তে লাইক, কমেন্ট, share and subscribe কৰি দিব নাপাহৰিব. Also don't forget to press the bell icon if you want to get notified. আজিলৈ ইমানতে সামৰিছো. Bye.